Our interactive mobile-first solution shows KPIs from 4 points of view. In the first tab, the main KPIs, including traffic metrics, are compared to the previous year's data. In the upper part of the screen, the filter section allows users to interact with data, especially with predefined periods, such as year-to-date and quarter-to-date, for example, or selecting budget and channel type. The second tab is the Sales tab, which compares the current performance with the previous year's figures, or against its target budget. These are segmented by region, also showing the top performing cities. Once selected, each region can unlock the underlying geographical hierarchy in order to drill down data, as we can see for APAC, which is now a filter for top cities. Additionally, it's also possible to switch to default metric, focusing on other values like traffic volumes, for example. The third tab is based on channel analysis in order to see how sales performed in different periods according to the selected filters, such as geographical region or budget type. The final tab, which always has a filter option in the upper section, represents KPIs compared to previous year values in a sort of tree form, starting from sales on the left to derived metrics such as conversion rates that can be seen in the lower right corner. Every dashboard can be personalized based on your specific requirements. Contact us and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching.